Ready? The last part I'm going to show you guys is how to assemble the motor and the wheels. So for this you have to place, and you'll have to go up into the assignments drive. So it says assignments, HM2, go all the way down to technology, and there's Hockeybot help. You're gonna find whatever wheel you'd like. I'm gonna choose a medium wheel and click the medium wheel assembly. I'm gonna place 2 in my drawing and then click escape. Next part that I'm gonna put in there is the motor. There's 2 motors. There's a right motor and a left motor. You have to go down and find the right motor assembly. And then click escape, and then you have to find the left motor assembly. And then click escape. Okay, I'm gonna do one motor for you guys. Constrain. You're gonna use the make command again. You're gonna click on this metal bracket. I zoomed in. That's close to the motor, and I'm gonna click on the side of the frame and click apply. Then I'm gonna flush the top of the bracket with the top of the frame and click apply. Then rotate it back, and you can click the back of the frame with the back of the metal plate and click apply. The last part you have to do is insert the axle hole with the axle itself, and then you have to offset it so it goes into the axle. So you have to play around with it. Sometimes you have to use like a negative number. I'm gonna do like -1.5, and it looks pretty good. It looks like it's on the axle. So click apply. Then you'll do the exact same thing with the other motor and wheel.